menko a hwebodie bi sika 20 cedi hwebodie sika 20 cedis hwebodie sika 20 cedis.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified.
Ya Papa John Mahama. Wo de wo betena so si ni pachechia na abecheche. Adwuma e wasa wo ye no, wo ba won kasa ye mu no, wo si Ghana ye den, enema boa ye den, enti won kasa ye mu no. O so ba ba ma bibia ba cheap fofofo. Ena ya wo. Me se me kon do fufuo me kon anti me kwa agya me koto bode ne bancha do fufuo di. Me kon a hwebodie bi sika 20 cedi. Hwebodie sika 20 cedis. Hwebodie sika 20 cedis. Eno de wo ma se wo be ye hu bibi. Eni pachechia ena me da sori ya. Wo se wo hwehwe fancy comedy. Papa, musika na mudi ya no money fancy comedy na di ya na. NDC fo. Wo ni Sami Jamfini atofo sene yi hwan ne Sam George ne abrokwa woku de to abrokwa musika na mudi ya ne na Jane musika na mo bedi ye no mo ba 2012 mudi ye no amasan ba 2025 money fancy comedy le di ye ana mo contract be na mo de ma fancy comedy a wa anya ama mo Mahama woni wo ayifo wo tata fancy comedy say ya meche no anyanyamu bia woni wusika no ni ledi ye adwuma e wasa wo ye Mahama wo hwem na wo nye hwebodie sika 20 cedi mesi asem bi na abasem na ababodie wenka ani tikla mesi me nko afofo mi fo bi adi nka ho o mbedi mo hwe sika nyankopon ani mu ne korebe sika 20 cedi hwebodie we sika 20 cedis akufu adote so na mikura 20 cedis anamede 15 cedis so so mitiminya body aduro 35 cedis 40 cedis ele hwebodie sika sabre ensu ototo e wo senka body ne ba enso usuma bone ne wo ba lock nti body kura nti me ma hwe body sika 20 cedis enso ho a hwento sika 2 million entos sika 2 million Mahama hwentos bo kitwa we entos sika 2 million eno de wo hwem na wo memeye wo hwem na wo na wo sio wo na wo ya campaign wo na wo sie se wo ba betete ma so wo ba ye hwe wo sin momo wo sane 100 cedis a wo de 1 cedi na wo de asoso wo si anye waba be twam eno kra still na wo ho wo sani sika me sika everyday me sani sika on my phone so enti me ba wo school me ma wo school enti no everyday me sani sika e ma wo mo me sani sika me wo abusuya enti me sani sika ma wo mo enti everyday me sani sika yete me wo so what you 1% 1 cedi 60 pesos no you 60 pesos na free 11 is 60 pesos what you ajabi wo enya hwe yakin anu atum wasa de wo to petrol 1 liter bia no 1 liter bia no de 1 cedi atoso 1 liter bia enti fanese 1 gallon no be 70 cedis a would enti be 77 cedis Obi sani sika momo 1000 cedis a momo 1000 cedis a what the 10 cedis and a better so se si a wo fele wo fuel 1000 cedis a wo di 84 cedis na ade be so wo di 80 na wo ye transaction almost 10,000 cedis na wo di 10 cedis atoso wo se enye wo to a fuel 1000 cedis a wo di almost 80 something cedis and ade be so aden 419 be no enkanta be no ade na moye nkantafo sa ade na moye 419 sa NDC fo moye 419 si ebe chiadum so ho yi lebi ye betua dum so ho ablenkane ya no yenya me say ba betua ho ene eka da UCG o kana oboto what 2012 no ene da ho twen na kufu adokra betua mu farm enso egusu da so twen wa betua prepaid no me to me phone so a enye wo na wo send ni momo e ma me de to me to me phone so every day anopa kula mato credit UCG ma wo send ni scan ko ansan ye de credit amount no akọgbo agu meter so eti eka be na wo ho eka be na ye de wo mahama eka be na UCG ye de ka anopa ya me to light no me din kan send ni scan ansan na almost 10 minutes me credit ba ama makogina meter no ho abo agusu ho etika be na ye de nia wasa wo ye ne de wo nye sa wo be che fancy comedy papa wa de wo ka udi usika left and right no nyafunyafu no no de di ye chasa bo de NDC for the mo ba boni die mahama 2016 to aye 2 no wo fele ye ni ntino chasa ho yawudie egusu hyewu efie nwotwini ho yawudie hyewu ntino wo so ba be che fancy comedy e dey say free fancy comedy so na e ba me so na ba a voice of someone na ba from pama so na pipi fo na ba ye so yanka ya no ntumu da de ebehu bia ebeka ade so kunkum ye tugu ukunkum ububo ye bia tugu ansa fancy comedy wonu mu na di musika no ana mo contract be na mo de ma fancy comedy awanye ye hwehwe fancy comedy nche no body sika 20 cedis body we sika 20 cedis mati sika 2 million 200 cedis akotonto osiwe sika 200 cedis atonto osiwe eno de wo hwemu na metete so ade chi ensem anfaso bia ni so wo be chi fancy comedy che wo ba na nanim se sunsun ne chi ni wie wo wi anu akwachi fancy comedy why
that A+ works with them. I said, A+? He said, but you don't know. A+ is the one who gives the guy also information. He said, but your information, the one they're talking about, it is A+. Didn't you see what A+ said? He said that the only person to attack is this, and then the next day, it is A+. I said, it makes sense. That is why blackmail is the way they work. A+ to another blackmailer. You come and sit on TV and say that I was doing a public service work, and then your boss, Zoom Lion, he called me and he paid me money. Look at such empty head in parliament. Empty head in parliament. He paid me money. And then I stopped. You see, I said sanitation must be decentralized. And he didn't even write that article. If you read that article, A+ cannot write that article. He can't. So we know who wrote it. You read it, you can tell the language. We know who wrote it. I started. A+ said a Zoom Lion decentralized. Then he paid me money. So when I heard that A+ works with these people, I believed it because he's also another blackmailer. Parliament has started. We are going to file. See this video.